Hello investors, my name is Vechain. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins and how they're performing and potentially be a buy for a future. So if we take a look here in the past 24 hours, the market is currently up a little bit. We're up about 1.66%. We see our top gainers here. Bitcoin is up about 0.6%, Ethereum is up about 1.2%. Volume is actually lower than usual. We're about 17 billion on volume in Bitcoin and 9 billion here on Ethereum. Bitcoin trading around that 45,000 area that we've been talking about now for the past few weeks. We need to break through this resistance at 45, and then after that we have the 47 resistance before breaking through the 50 area. So we're going to be keeping a very close eye on that. Ethereum trading at around 31.45 right now. 3,300 is the big resistance for Ethereum. If we can break through that, we continue to push on even higher. We see altcoins are up about 1.2%, 1.5%, 3% here on Cardano and Solana. Dogecoin's up over 5.9%, making a nice little run on the way up now, trading at almost 15 cents per coin, which is looking good for all the Dogecoin holders, obviously, that got stuck hodling from the top, that are still continuing to believe in it for the long term. I currently, still do not believe in Dogecoin for the long term, but a lot of people do, and they're very, very passionate about it. It's kind of like a meme, just like with AMC and GME. In the stock market. So very interesting to see how people perform and react to some of this stuff. So very interesting, guys. As always, before we get into the content, smash that like button. Let's aim for 50 plus likes. It helps the channel grow, helps the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate it very much. So thank you guys so much. As always, let's get into it. Crypto bubbles. First of all, in the past 7 days, we're looking very nice. Things are looking green, which means things are looking on the upside here. We have some big winners here. We have Zilliqa, which is up about 99%. We have some other winners here like StormX, 65%. We have here Singularity Net up over 60.2%. Ethereum Classic, one of the big winners in the past week, actually in the past month as well, up 37% in the past week, 89% in the past month, making a nice move for all those people that are mining ETC. For the long term, obviously, getting that passive income from mining. We see some other winners here, 30, 40, 50% or so, which is looking nice. And then we have about 2 or 3 big red bubbles there that are on the way down here. So looking nice. We're looking bullish. Things are looking back and coming back up on the upside, which is a positive sign for people that bought the dip or are currently even still buying the dip, that believe in this stuff for the future. So guys, let's get into the list. First of all, on this list, coming in the number 1 spot, we're going to be talking about Terra, also known as Luna. So Luna right now trading at $91.10. It is currently up about 1.89%, as we can see in the past 24 hours, from lows of $89. In the past week, this one is flat. Past month, we're actually up 22%. And then on the 1-year chart, Luna has definitely destroyed it with 385%. So this coin last March was trading at $18, hit lows down here in May at around $3.94 or so at the low. Continue to push on higher and higher from that $3 range. We actually hit a high right here at right around Christmas time at around $100 per coin, which is insane. From $3, or let's just say from $4. So from $4 to almost $100, that's over a 25x, I believe, if I'm doing the math correctly. So if you would have invested, let's just say $10,000 into Terra at the bottom, that $10,000 would be worth over $250,000 at the top, which is insane. And even if you held through this dip that we saw from $100 all the way down to 44, now we're back to all-time highs. We hit $101 here on March 10th, which was just about a week and a half ago, which is insane. So we are hitting all-time highs on Luna here, and it continues to move on up. Market cap 32.5 billion right now, so continues to grow higher and higher. Volume is down actually about 38% lower than usual at 972.4 million, and obviously all-time high, like we said, at $104. So Luna, can it continue to push on higher? I believe it can. So if especially if we continue to see more of a bullish rally in altcoins, this could definitely continue to move on higher and higher. And at a 32.5 billion market cap, I believe that this one has a lot of more potential to grow until it hits its limits, obviously. So this one's going to be very interesting. We're going to give it a price target of $130, and that's just my long-term price target right now. 130, possibly even $150 per coin. As if we continue this run and push on higher and higher, as we see, it's already made over 100% gains just in the past month or so. So this one is on a move on up, and one to be watching on your radar for this to continue and have a little continuation right there into new all-time highs on Terra. So first altcoin on that list, guys. Second up, we have Vechain. VET. This one is up over 18% here in the past 24 hours. We saw this huge move going into Saturday night, obviously, from about 5.057 cents all the way to highs of about 0.069 cents. So this one in the past week is up 27%. Past month we're up 41%. On the 1 year chart, it's actually still down 25%. But that is because of last year, 2021, we saw a huge rally in altcoins, and this ran up all the way to highs, all the way up here to highs of over 25 cents, pulled back down to about 5 cents, and then we continue to trade sideways with, nice little bump here in November before this cool down all the way down here to lows that we saw at around 3 cents or so in the end of February. So from that 3 cents area, now we're building the support level, bouncing off obviously, and we see, look at this pattern. If we look at this pattern, it looks just like the pattern we saw in July of last year, and now we're hoping for a little bit of a rise and hopefully get back up to the areas close to 9, possibly even 10 cents in the next few months. And then obviously continuation into higher highs there in the future as well. So this one, 4.3 billion market cap right now. Volume is up 186% at 804.9 million, and obviously all-time high is at around 28 cents. Now, Vechain is a cryptocurrency and smart contract platform focused on supply chain management. It allows manufacturers to add sensors such as RFID tags to their products that can then record data onto the Vechain blockchain. So very interesting how this one's going to perform. We have plenty of upside potential to get back to 24 cents, 25 cents area. We have about 300% plus upside potential. So a 3x opportunity right there, potentially even a 4x opportunity. So Vechain is definitely one to be watching, guys, on your radar, as it has so much more potential just to get back to those all-time highs at around 15 to 20 billion market cap. So that's going to be our second altcoin. And then last but not least, coming in at the number 3 spot, it's going to be Link, guys. So Chainlink here, up 2% in the past 24 hours, trading at $16. In the past week, this one's up 7%. Past month, we're up 13%. And on the 1 year chart, we're down about 40%. But once again, that's because we had a huge rally in the beginning of 2021. That was kind of like the hot time for cryptocurrencies. Everybody was getting into cryptocurrencies. It was the big thing. And, everybody just wanted to go in because it was easy money. Everything was just going on up for months and months and months until we saw that pullback in the summer. So very interesting to see Chainlink there. 7.5 billion market cap. Volume is down 28% at 439 million. We have 85-day typical hold time. It is ranked the number 18 coin, 63% buy activity, 37% sell activity. Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. So this one, like we said, with those highs that we saw at around, let's just say around this $53 area. So $53, we have over a 2x or 200% opportunity right there just to get back to the all-time highs, which would bring us to close to about a 20 billion market cap, just like the previous coin that we talked about. So 20 billion market cap would be the area that we're looking for Chainlink, obviously, to get those all-time highs. So there's plenty of potential. We've done it before, so there's definitely an opportunity for it to happen again in the future. We just have to wait and see if that opportunity, presents itself right there. As we've had this dip, we're kind of building a support level here close to the $10 range, and now we're trying to see this come up and break through these highs at $18. If we can break through this $18 resistance, we could go past the $20 area very, very easily. So definitely want to keep on your radar, guys, and see what happens in the long term. So now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. After we cover those three, let's see what the rest of the market is doing, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. First of all, let's look at Dogecoin. We like to keep track of this one because I know a lot of you guys are invested into Dogecoin. So in the past week, this one's up 14 cents, or 14%. So congratulations, guys. Past month, hit lows down here at around 10 cents almost. Now we're trading at 14, 15 cents. But if we look at the 1 year chart, obviously, with those highs that we saw last year, I don't think we're going to be seeing those highs anytime in the future again. Then we have here Ethereum. So Ethereum is currently trading at 31.45, but like we said, up 1% past week. This one's up 7%. Ethereum is looking very, very juicy here. Past month, it's up 16% from those lows. And then on the 1 year chart, we're still up 89%. But look at this. We're seeing this recovery start to happen here. Can it break through the resistance? So we keep talking about this 3,300 area. 3,300 area is going to be a huge resistance. After that, 3,800 is going to be the next resistance. And after that, it's no man's land. We're going to all-time highs. We're going to the moon. So this could happen very, very quickly. We're going to be watching Ethereum and Bitcoin very closely because we could see a breakout at any moment right now if we get some more momentum here in the next few days. Market cap 377.9 billion. We see it's 15% of the crypto market space. Volume is down 44%. 62% buy activity, 38% sell activity, and typical hold time is going to be around 80 days right now. So that's Ethereum. Then obviously we have the other big dog, which is going to be Bitcoin. So Bitcoin here, very similar here with the little uptrend that we're seeing here Saturday night into Sunday. So obviously in the past week, this one's up 6.5%, past month 15%, and then on the 1-year chart, we're obviously down 20%. But same pattern here. We're trying to break out through this area right now. If we can break through this 45,000 area that we continue to talk about, break through this 46,000 area, we're going higher, potentially close to 50,000 until we hit that next resistance. 48,000, 47,000 is another milestone that we have to get through. But it's looking very nice. But I'm a lot more bullish on Ethereum than I am on Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin 848.1 billion market cap, 34% of the crypto market space. Volume is down 42% lower than usual. 109 typical day hold time right there. 69% buy activity, 31% sell activity. And one thing to keep note, guys, is that a lot of these Bitcoin have been, not moved in the past year. So in the past year, there's been a lot of hodlers that are just hodling their coins, guys, not moving an inch. They're just waiting, potentially even buying more and just holding for the long term, which is a good thing because the supply is going to go down lower and the demand could potentially go up higher in the future. And we could see a breakout once again and another huge bullish run in cryptocurrency. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see how that works out in the next few months, next few years, obviously, as cryptocurrencies continues to grow. So you guys let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this? What do you think about Ethereum right now and Bitcoin at these resistance areas? Can we break through them finally after months and months of trying to break through and coming right back down? Let me know your thoughts. As always, smash that like button. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. I am not a financial advisor, guys, so none of this is financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence, so make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.